The chapter is percentage and profit and loss for standard 8, and it's part 2 of this series. In an election, a candidate got 65% of the total votes. 8% of the total votes were declared invalid. If the total number of votes cast was 6 lakh, find the number of valid votes polled in favor of the candidate. So it's already given. The total number of votes is equal to X. Total number of votes is equal to 6 lakh. So now we have to find the number of valid votes polled in favor of the candidate. So he got 65% of the total votes and 8% of the total votes were declared invalid. So 8% number of votes invalid. Percentage of votes invalid is 8%. Now he got 65% of the total votes. So number of votes is equal to 6 lakh into 65 by 100. So if you multiply, 3,90,000. Yeah. Now 8% of the total votes he received were declared invalid. So he received 3,90,000 votes. Out of that, 8% of the votes were declared invalid. So 8% invalid votes is equal to 3,90,000. See, 8% of the total votes he received. So into 8 by 100. So you will get 31,200 votes. So now the number of valid votes is equal to number of valid votes is equal to number of votes he received was 3,90,000. So 3,90,000 minus 31,200. So you'll get 3,67,800 votes is what he got valid votes. A school has 300 students, 142 of whom are boys. It has 30 teachers, 12 of them are men. What percentage of total number of students and teachers in the school is female? So students, out of the students, boys and girls. Boys are 142. So the remaining will be girls. So it will be 152 are girls. Now out of the teachers, male 12 of them are men. So men teachers are 12. So the women teachers will be 18. So now the total number of students plus teachers is equal to total strength. Students plus teachers is equal to 300 plus 30 is equal to 330. Now total number of students and teachers in the school female. So female is 158 plus 18. 158 plus 80. So 176. Now we have to find the percentage. So percentage of female is equal to 176 by the total strength. It is 330 into 100. So 1760 divided by 33, if you do, you will get 53.33. So that much, that is a percentage. In an exam, 2500 students appeared, out of which 1100 were girls. 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed the exam. What percentage of the candidates failed in the exam? So it is given 1100 are girls. So 1100, so out of 2500, the remaining 1400 are boys. Now percentage of pass, 50% of the boys passed and 40% of the girls passed. So 40% of the girls passed means percentage of failures will be 60% and percentage of failure in boys will be 50%. So now we will find number of failed children. So 60% is failed, total students is 1100. So 1100 into 60 by 100, here 1400 into 50 by 100. So this will be I'll get 660 girls failed, and in this 700 failed. So total number of total failures including boys and girls is equal to 660 plus 700, that is equal to 1360. Now we have to find the percentage of candidates failed. So percentage of failures is equal to number of failures is 1360 by total number of students is 2500 into 100. So again you divide 1360 by 25, you will get 54.4 percentage. So percentage of failures is 54.4. The value of a machine depreciates every year by 5%. If the present value of the machine be rupees 1 lakh, what will be its value after 2 years? So it is depreciating every year. So first year, no, the present value is equal to rupees 1 lakh. So depreciation is 5% is equal to, now we will find out what is the amount of depreciation. 5% is a percentage. So we are converting into amount. So So 5000 is the depreciation amount. So the present value is equal to, the new value is equal to, after 1 year, at the end of first year, is equal to 1 lakh. Depreciation means decreasing. 5000 is equal to 95,000. Now again it is, we have to find it for 2 years. Again 5% it is depreciating. So the present value is 95,000. So depreciation again you will find. Now you will find depreciation on 95,000 because this is the present value. You should not find depreciation again on 1 lakh. So 95,000 into 5 by 100 is equal to, again 950 into 5, you will get 4,750. Now the new value, the value at the end of second year is equal to 95,000. Again, you should remember, you should subtract only from this value and not from 1 lakh. Because at the end of the first year, you have got this value. So now you have to do all the calculation with this value. So 95,000 minus 4,750. So 90,250 is the value at the end of 2 years.